Hey guys, Dave here in the Eastwood garage to talk about one of the biggest blast cabinets we've ever offered. This is the B120 blast cabinet with an insane 12 square feet of internal workspace. You'll be able to strip parts as big as an engine block, transmission, and so much more. As always, if you want more information on this product, click the link in the description or at the end of the video. We always say that blasting is the best way to remove paint, rust, and other coatings from your workpiece. Sometimes it's the only way because of awkward corners or hard to reach areas, like on headers, coil springs, latches, and much more. It's also great because it can remove all the rust from any pitting in the metal. Rust can push back up through your paint and ruin all the hard work you did on painting your project. Let's take a look at what makes this cabinet great. First things first, you have two ways to load your parts. You can use the large front loading door. That's great if you need to place your cabinet between two other pieces of equipment and can't open the sides. If you do have the room, you can use one of the two side doors to load larger parts without having to lift all the way up to the front of the cabinet. Once you open up the doors, you'll notice a super bright LED high intensity light so you can see exactly what you're doing when you're cleaning up your parts. Now, lighting will only do so much if you don't have proper dust collection though. This cabinet comes with a very powerful dust collection system built in that turns on and off with the flip of a switch. This will help you ensure your work area doesn't get filled up with dust, making it hard to see. We mentioned work area earlier. This has a 48-inch wide by 24-inch deep by 24-inch high internal dimensions, making it perfect for a ton of different parts that you'll be cleaning up when working on a project vehicle. We should also mention that you can hold up to 220 pounds of parts and 150 pounds of media. This is a foot pedal operated blast cabinet. This is a nice upgrade over traditional trigger systems because you aren't getting hand fatigue, allowing you to blast for longer periods of time. Another bonus we added to this cabinet is the Anti-Purge Valve with an adjustable venturi. Sometimes when you're blasting, you get inconsistent feeding of media through your gun, and this helps eliminate that. Lastly, this thing is built with a super durable, heavy gauge seal and powder coated finish to give you a long lasting life. We know you're gonna beat this thing up, so we built it to withstand it. And of course, Eastwood has your back. This cabinet is backed by our 1-year warranty. There are a lot of great reasons to get a blast cabinet, and we have a ton of options for you. If this cabinet is a little too big for your shop and you need something smaller, you can check out our entire line of blast cabinets, including the B20, B40, B60, and B100. No matter what size you need, we got you covered. For more information on this cabinet or any other products we offer, you can click the link to visit eastwood.com.